Hi guys, Candy Toy Box here. Today you will need some green, black, and pink pony beads, scissors, a lighter, a needle, and a long piece of string of your choice. I can't really give you an exact measurement for the string because it depends on what type of string you're using. This is just a white elastic. And also the tension while you're pulling for the bracelet will change the length of the string. So if you run out, just tie some on and it should be fine. You're going to start by putting on 2 green, 1 pink, and it's going to go through both. 1 pink on this side, 1 black on that side, and then the last bead will be pink and it's going to go through both. And then we'll pull these down. And that's what it should look like. Now we're going to put our needle on one side. And we're going to add a pink and we're going to go through this black. We're going to add another pink and we're going to go through this green. We're going to add a green and go through this pink. We're going to add a pink and go through this pink. We're going to add a black and go through this pink. We're going to add a pink and go through this green. We're going to add a green and go through this pink. We're going to add a pink and go through this black. We're going to add a pink and go through this pink. Add a pink and go through that green. We're going to add a green and go through this pink. We're going to add a black and go through this pink. We're going to add a pink and go through this black. We're going to add a pink and go through this green. We're going to add a green and go through this pink. We're going to add a pink and go through this pink. And we got a little knot. Okay, so this is going to be what the pattern is, and we're just going to keep repeating this. So if you look at these beads right here, they're the same. Oh, I'm sorry, these ones right here. They're the same. So now we're going to add the black here. Go through this pink. Add a pink and go through that green. And we're just going to keep going until we get to the length that we need. So if you forget what beads come next, just look over here. It's going to be a green and a pink. So I'll add those. And then the next one's going to be pink and another pink and then green and another black. So also if you look, there's always going to be 2 pink in between the black. So the pattern is like that for these black beads and for the top ones. So we know the next color is going to be pink up here. I'm going to go ahead and finish this and then I'll show you what it looks like and we can tie it off. Okay guys, I finished the length that I needed, so you want to double check your pattern to make sure that you have 2 pink beads in between the black beads. Just go down, make sure that everything lines up. And then this was the last row that I did. So you have to have an opposite here so they just link in here. I don't know if you can tell, but as long as they fit in like that, you should be good. My wrist is about 7.5 inches, so if you need to make it smaller or longer, you can. So to tie it off, we're going to go through this green bead, through this pink bead. We're just going back and forth here. Through this pink and through this black. And then we're going to take both strings and pull them tight. And then make a knot. Tie it off. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'll see you next time.